Hi, so today's video is going to be slightly different because I am taking you to my kitchen. And it's not to cook, it is to wash something. So I've been doing some research for one of my videos and I found there's platforms saying that you should wash your clothes with vinegar instead of using conditioner. And I was like that sounds something that I would try. So that's what we're doing today. And for the purpose of not being biased, I will be using only vinegar, no detergent, just because I want to see what the effect of the vinegar only will be. We're not going to be assessing whether it's clean, we're going to be assessing whether it's soft. Okay, I'm sweating like a pig because it is so hot. Today is not a good day to make a video. I'm just drenched in it. I am sorry if you can see it. I'm going to use a 1/4 cup of vinegar and I'm going to wash it on a cycle of 20 minutes. And hopefully that's going to be enough. Cross fingers it does not ruin it, because if it's ruined I'm pretty screwed because it's one of my favourite jumpers. The things you do for YouTube. And there is the vinegar. You can't really see it because obviously it's transparent, but it's there. I'm not lying. Okay, let's bring this to the washing machine, and this is the conditioner compartment that I tried so hard to clean for you guys. Didn't do a very good job. Okay, here we go. Blop, 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 blop. Okay, so the jumper is in the washing machine and I will keep you posted on the results. If it's in little bits and pieces, I will let you know so you don't do this. Okay, moment of verdict. Oh my god, I am so concerned about this and I don't know why. It's just a jumper, you know, it's just a jumper. But it's not just a jumper, it's my jumper. Okay, let's do this. Let's get on with this, shall we? And open sesame. There you are. Oh. Well, it does. Oh my god. Oh, my joyby. I'm not sure. I do feel like it's softer. Oh my god. And it's definitely not damaged it, that's for sure. The colour is still great. It feels soft. I mean, for a jumper that was never really that soft, I think this bloody worked. I'm gonna dry it. I'm gonna dry it and then we're gonna have a look at it. Right, so it's kind of halfway dry and I have to say I'm kind of amazed by this. It's actually gone pretty soft. I won't put it to my face because I've got foundation on and that would just ruin it. But yeah, go and put all your clothes in vinegar because it makes them soft and cozy. Right, so that's it for me. Bye!